I have finished work just over an hour ago. I actually, oh my god, I've still got snow in my hair. I actually went for an appointment for my back because I've been having lots of lower back pain, and it's gone shooting down my left leg as well. It's been going on for such a long time. I actually went and printed off some things for another video slash just thing to do before that. Here's the things that I was printing. It's going to be for my vision board. I've got so many sheets in here. I think I paid like a £5 to print this. Say, as I've got a printer at home, but it just chews my paper. I don't know what I've been doing wrong, but I also got some jewellery from my friend at work. She actually had lots of jewellery to donate, to give away, so I've just picked up some bits, and there's some hair clips and some beaded bits I can probably remake, and then I picked up some bits from her that I thought my mum would like as well. She's got some like headbands, and I mean, like, this is stunning, and I thought my mum would really like that. Little clips. Luckily I actually made tea yesterday when I came in, and there's enough leftovers to have it today. Oh, that looks a bit vile, but it's pistachio. Actually, what's in here? It's pistachio pesto from Lidl, and I've just put some soft cheese, like spreadable cheese, in with it to make a sauce with some lemon, some seasoning, and some pasta water. Put some parmesan on top. I actually needed to untie my hair so much. You know that feeling when you've had your hair up all day or tied back?
Of people said yes. Journalism not only alienates audience. Can I just say? Of course you can.
I'm actually going for a shower, just a quick one, just a body one. I've been trying to get into a bit of a better routine when I come home. I've got such a big headache. I had such a bad headache for the last probably 2 hours of my shift, and it's just not gone away. So I'm gonna try find some painkillers. I'm gonna go for a shower, and then my tea will be nice and drinkable hopefully when I come out. I love this mug. I got this last year for Christmas. Not this one, just gone. It's like insulated, double walled and insulated, and it keeps this really hot for ages. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna put this down in the living room, and I'll see you guys in like 10 minutes. Oh my god, I've just put a super quick wash on, and I'm gonna take some paracetamol, and then after that I need to put like a proper wash on. But for now, I'm just gonna have my cup of tea, and I'm gonna take my painkillers, probably put some moisturizer on, maybe journal. I actually had good intentions to journal. I set everything up, but I wanted to shout out these little books that I've been using to journal. This is like my one list a day thing. You basically fill it out. Oh, I'm being a bit personal. You basically fill out the same list. No, wrong. You fill out a new list every single day for a year, and then you go back the year after and the year after and fill out the same pages. So, for example, I want to grab one like more from the middle so that I don't remember it, because I like opening each page and seeing something different. So, for example, these will be my my 2025 lists. Well, my things I list in 2025, 2026 and 2027. Been doing this one, your life in the list, and it just goes through questions about you and like your past and stuff, and it's really good. It's really thought-provoking. But I've also ordered one off eBay, actually, used, so it's a lot cheaper than Chronicle Books or Amazon. I hopefully it's not got someone's personal life written down in a list, but the future one, like my future life, I think that one's going to be a bit more suited to me. But yeah, they're just a really good way to pass some time rather than scrolling, and I think that is what I need right now. The other thing that I actually need to desperately do is to finish editing this video, because I really want it out probably tomorrow or at some point this week anyway. We are on Tuesday as I film this, but I do just want to get it out. I've only got one day off until the end of the week pretty much, so I would like to have this out, edited and out by then. Had such a flop of an evening. I thought I'd be able to show you guys like a cool little, because I'm not going to work tomorrow, so it's my 5 to 9 after my 9 to 5 where I've got the day off the next day. So I thought, okay, I'll have some, I don't know, I'd have a little bit more energy, a little bit more life in me. But honestly, I am knackered. I'm gonna edit, I was gonna start cutting things out so I'd have it ready for my little vision board making, and I might still do that, but I think I'm just gonna do a little bit more self-care at the moment. I've got a sheet mask ready to put on my face, and I just brought my nail varnishes out, and I'm gonna probably take care of these because they're so long. I could probably do something with them. Bit of a downer because I don't know, like the evening, I didn't go as planned, and I put a lot of pressure on the evening when I finish work and then I've got a day off the next day. Even though it's my day off tomorrow, I will have in the back of my head that I need to go to sleep early and I've got work the next day again. So that's the only pain with having like one day off in between your shifts. It's nice to not have to do like a big bulk of work all in one go, but it is really like annoying that you don't get like a proper break. However, I'm trying to feel accomplished. I came in, I washed the dishes, I've put on 2 loads of washing, had a shower, moisturised, put my lotion on, I went to my doctor's appointment, I printed out what I needed to print, I picked up my parcel, I've eaten, like I'm just trying to think all these good things. Yeah, I think I'm just disappointed because I've not edited, and I was going to journal and I've not done that. But I think I have to remind myself sometimes that I can't do everything. Just put my whole hand in the bin. Oh, I absolutely forgot I was gonna refill my little pill box thing before I sat down. I literally just sat down, put a video on, but I'm gonna do it really quickly. Oh my god, we're almost out. Leslie.